Keeping your fingernails, toes and face healthy is important for both hygiene and aesthetics. In this video, we'll show you a product that will help you maintain healthy and beautiful nails and toes. But first, it's important to keep your nails clean. This means regularly washing your hands and feet and using a nail brush to gently scrub under your nails. This will help remove any dirt or bacteria that may be hiding there. Second, it's important to keep your nails moisturized. Dry nails can become brittle and prone to breakage. To keep your nails moisturized, apply a moisturizing lotion to your hands and nails regularly. Third, it's important to avoid biting your nails or using them to pick at things. This can damage your nails and even cause infections. Instead, use nail clippers or a nail file to shape your nails. Fourth, it's important to avoid harsh chemicals that can damage your nails. This includes harsh nail polish removers and cleaning chemicals. If you must use these products, be sure to wear gloves to protect your nails. Finally, it's important to maintain a healthy diet to promote nail health. Foods rich in vitamins and minerals, such as fruits and vegetables, can help promote strong and healthy nails. By following these simple tips, you can keep your fingernails healthy and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Last, if this is not exactly what you are looking for, the link shown in the comments and description will also show you similar products you can review. And keep in mind that Amazon's free shipping option really makes this a great deal.